How to tie the Nicky knot. Grab your tie, put that around your neck with the seam facing forward and the wide side on the left. Form an X with your tie, the wide side coming underneath. Bring the wide side up and into the hole you formed with the X. Pull that down and over to the left side. Now bring the wide end across. Tuck your finger in here to make it easier to grab in the next step. Then bring the wide end up the hole you formed with the X. Grab the wide end and pull it down to cinch up your knot. And cinch it up to your collar. There's the Nicky knot. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe.